What is the International Exchange Program at the Faculty of Engineering? Faculty of Engineering students at the University of Ottawa can take part in the International Exchange Program to go study abroad for a term or two. Some of our students have traveled to Lyon, to Sydney, to Singapore, and to Barcelona, just to name a few destinations. Adding an international dimension to your program is a great way to acquire global skills and to live an unforgettable experience. When can I apply for an international exchange? Preparing your application to go on an international exchange is a long process. Make sure not to start at the last minute. You must have successfully completed 24 course credits to submit an application to go on an international exchange. This means that you cannot apply during your first year of studies. You must also have enough course credits left to be able to complete at least a full term abroad the year after you submit your application. You will prepare your application during the academic year to be able to go abroad the following year. For example, you will apply during your second year of studies if you would like to go on an exchange during your third year. How to apply for an international exchange? Your first step is to go to the U Ottawa International Office's website to determine whether you are eligible. If you are eligible, your next step will be to schedule a meeting with me so we can discuss your case and confirm that you can go on an exchange. After this, it will be your responsibility to build your course selection. You will have to get your proposed course selection approved before the application deadline. Tips for finding equivalent courses at the destination of your choice. Your proposed course selection must be equivalent to the courses that are part of your program requirements. After you send me your proposed course selection, I will have to get it approved to ensure that it meets your program requirements. This step can take some time, and if your choice of courses is not accepted, you will have to suggest new options. This is why you must make sure to prepare your application well before the deadline. Two suggestions to help you find equivalent courses. One, there is a list of pre-approved courses on the Faculty of Engineering website that you can use. Two, if you have enough optional courses in your program, keep them for your international exchange. It is easier to get an optional course approved than a compulsory engineering or computer science course. Keep in mind, we recommend that you apply during your second year of studies to go abroad during your third year of studies. You will be responsible for preparing your application and finding equivalent courses at your destination of choice. Preparing your application takes time. Start early and stay organized. You can always schedule a meeting with me if you have any questions or concerns. There is usually an info session organized in September or October about international exchanges. Keep an eye on your student newsletter to find out about the next info